Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Mahajin Mostay Prabni from Itimaha Cooking Show. Hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm back with a new recipe. So today we are going to make chicken prawn biryani. That would be a very amazing recipe. I wish. Hope you guys will enjoy the video. Now let's get to the video. For making this recipe, we will need chicken, prawn, and boiled basmati rice. Now we will have to marinate the chicken by using onion paste, then chili paste, green chili paste, tomato ketchup, elaichi paste, then all types of spices like bay leaf, cinnamon, black pepper and red chili powder. Then we will use salt too. Then mix it up. Mix it properly and keep it up for 10 to 15 minutes. So we are done with our chicken and prawn. Now we will pour the yogurt gently. Now we will add sugar. Just look at the color. So this is our final dish. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Now the main credit goes to my Api. Thank you so much, Api, for helping me out.
প্লাবনিস আপি।
Yeah.
এটা আপনারা অনেক অল্প মশলা দিয়ে আমি করেছি, সামান্য তেল, মানে ঘরের যা আছে আমাদের সেটা দিয়ে আপনারা তৈরি করে দেখতে পারেন।
Even we use homemade yogurt too, right, Api?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Api. Hope you guys will enjoy our video. Please try this up at your home. And if you like our video, like our recipe, then please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up. And don't forget to share with your friends and close one. Thank you and help me to grow. Allah Hafiz. I'll be back with more recipes. Stay tuned.